evening, everyone. Welcome. It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats. The sights, the sounds. Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friend, this is Halloween.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell, weird glows gleam where the spirits dwell. Restless bones ethereal lies. Rise the spooks of every size. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Heavy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Climbs high on the dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out and socialize. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene, trick or treat till the next one is out fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this world we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Happy Halloween, darlings! This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas of Rugacum, winds of the Caspian Sea. Larynxus, Lacitus, Max Laryngitis, La Ponche to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
For unfortunate souls in pain, in need.
Yes.
For unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. For unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see it is to take a certain trial. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Look at what Cruella de Vil. Trust in me. Just in me. Shut your eyes. Trust in me. Lumpa-Lumpa-Woozle is very confusing. A Lumpa-Lumpa-Woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twos, but if they so choose, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. The elephants on parade, here they come, hippity hoppity. They're here and there, pink elephants everywhere. Look out! Look out! Pink elephants on parade! Well, what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the Boogie Man. Hey! I say Oogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie Boogie Boo! I say Oogie Boogie Boogie Boo! Whoa! 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 Don't stop the Oogie Boogie Man!
Why, we've only begun to heat things up. Let's show them just how spirited an All Hallows Eve celebration can really be!
And now I've saved the best for last. The Halloween Scream-Along. You're all invited to scream like you're trying to wake the dead.